Hi everyone, Miss Taylor here from the Kutztown Community Library. I have my dog Lola keeping watch over me in the back. Hopefully she behaves during this video. So instead of reading you stories today, I am going to give you a craft that you can do at home. It's going to be a make your own mask craft. So this is for all ages, adults, teens, elementary school. Anyone can do this, it's no-sew. All you need is scissors and an old t-shirt. So as you all know, if we go out in public, we have to wear a mask at all times. So, and I'm sure you already have masks at home, but you might want to throw them in the wash every once in a while, or maybe you want one to match every outfit you have. So I am going to show you how to make your own mask. So first, you grab an old t-shirt and you are going to cut off the sleeve. So you're just going to cut right along the inside of that seam right there. Cut off the sleeve. So once you cut off the sleeve, you'll get something that looks like this. And then that seam right there is going to be the middle of your mask. Then after you cut off the sleeve, you are going to cut off the bottom part of your t-shirt. So once again along the seam down there, you're going to cut that off. And your cuts do not have to be straight because if you give the t-shirt a little pull, it'll roll up a little bit and you can't even tell that the cuts aren't straight. So after you cut the bottom off, you'll have a big circle and you'll cut it in half and then in half again so that you have two equal strings here. So that is just from the bottom of my t-shirt. And you're going to take one string, put it through your mask. And what I did is I just did a little knot at the top here. So just a little knot to hold it together. And take your other string and put it through the other side of the mask. Same thing. Tie a knot. There you go. Looks like that. And then your mask is complete. What you're going to do is, keep strings on either end. You want the seam to be towards your nose and your mouth, just like that. So you're going to take the two strings and then tie them behind your head. All right. And then the two strings can go above and below your ears. It does loosen up a little bit. It's not too tight, but it does stay. And there you have it. You have your mask that you can go outside in public. Luckily, mine matches my outfit today, so there you have it. Very easy to make. That was less than 5 minutes it took. So if you try this at home, we want to see your pictures. If you have other ways of making masks at home, we want to see those ideas and those pictures too. We love to see what you're doing at home. But I hope to see you at the library again soon. Bye.